guys, it's me again, and here's my brother. Say hi. Okay, we're playing slime right now. So, this is my newest slime. I barely made it yesterday, and here's my brother's bicycle. He's gonna ride it, and yeah. Here's the slime. It's so blue. I don't think you can see it, but
this is the baby.
That's the baby, he says. But this is my favorite kind of slime. Okay, so, Matthew, can you hold the camera really quick? I'm gonna go bring some other slime.
What do you?
By the way, I'm using toys.
Toys? What does that mean? This is a bug hero. What is this? Slime? Wait.
Bye.
What do you mean this bot?
No,
This is
we're
a
gonna
butchik.
use these little.
Botchik?
No,
What are not
stop
botchik?
saying.
I'm not botchik.
And yeah. Yeah, it looks so cool. And yeah, Matthew, can you hold the camera for the rest of the video? Don't cover it. Okay, so this one is blueberry. That's cherry. Let me open it. You can play with this one. Okay, here it is, the softest one. It's so soft. Touch it. So soft.
See?
And yeah.
It's crunchy.
And it's so, put it down like that. Hold it. It's so soft that you can get it at Walmart, at Target, everything. I sell these. And yeah. So that's all for today's video. What do you need to say?
What do you mean?
You need to say bye-bye. Bye, people. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye to slime. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Peace.